Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. This week on my channel, we have a town update where I'm showing you guys how I make my roads. Now, my road technique is kind of a hybrid of several different techniques, so you can take parts of it or take the entire thing. That's what's coming up this week. Then next week, we have a budget buys video where I'll be doing another dollar store model railroad finds. For those of you that haven't seen those, I'll put a link up to one in the description below. And if you have, you'll know that I take $5 to the dollar store and see what I can get for model railroading. So that's what's coming up this week and next week. My quick tip pertains to model train shows. I get a lot of my rolling stock used. Even some of my engines are used from model train shows. A great way to get the best deal is to A, have cash on hand at all times, and B, be able to have an amount that you can say, can I have these 3 cars for this amount, which is cheaper than buying each one individually. People that are running the booths at model train shows are more likely to haggle with you if you have cash on hand and you can say, I want to buy 3 of these for this price. So for instance, if there's 3 boxcars that you want that are $15 a piece, but you only have $40, come in and say, I have $40, can I get these 3 boxcars? You can even go a little bit lower and say, I have $35, can I get these 3 boxcars? And they may work with you, they may not, but that's how you haggle at a train show. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.